Hey guys, this video is coming a little late, but I'm back with another one. So to start off, I'm going to go in with my hydrating primer mist and I'm going to spray that all over my face, and I'm going to go in with my concealer and prime my eyelids with it. And here I'm just going to set my eyelids with my loose setting powder. And then I'm going to go in with my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with the yellow shade and put that into my crease. And next I'm going to go in with the orange shade in the same palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well and blend that in with the yellow. And going into my e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, I'm gonna take a brown color and pop that a bit lower into my crease. So I'm going for a brown smoky eye look, and I'm just building up the colors from here. Going into my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette, I'm gonna take this brown shade and I'm going to put that lower in the crease, and like I said, I'm just going to be building up the brown colors. So the next one, I'm going to be taking a little bit of a darker brown color and I'm going to be blending that into my crease as well. So here I'm just taking a brown eyeliner and I'm going to put that on my eyelid. And because it was a little bit dry, I had to heat it up using a lighter, and it was very hard to blend out, but I kind of got it to work for me. So here I'm just taking a brown shade I already used, and I'm going to attempt to blend out the brown eyeliner that I put down on my eyelid. And trust me, I was blending for a long time. And now I'm just gonna take my yellow shade and I'm gonna mix it with the orange, and I'm blending that just above the crease just to smoke it out a little bit more. And going into a Quill palette, I'm gonna be taking the deepest brown and I'm going to put that on top of the brown eyeliner, and I'm also going to use that color to blend a little bit into my crease. And going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just going to clean up the edges and make it sharp. And just taking a black eyeliner, I'm just going to tightline my upper lash line with it. And taking my Alexis lashes from Shop Massé, I'm going to apply that. And I'm just going to prime my face, and I start with the center of my face, and whatever's left I kind of move it towards the outside of my face. And I'm going to put on foundation and apply this all over my face and blend it out using my sponge. Now I'm just going in with concealer, and I didn't get a product shot, but it's just my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And going in with my loose setting powder, I'm just going to set my face. And now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and because my eyes are so dark, I wanted to kind of incorporate that into my face and just bronze out my face a lot.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here.
And I'm just using this e.l.f. duo just to contour a little bit. And just going into my Tarte blush, I'm going to apply that on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, just to bring my face some color. And moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to fill them in, and I'm probably going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial soon, so yeah. And I'm just setting my eyebrows in place now. And here I'm just lining my lips using a nudie brown lip liner, and I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick, a pinky nude, and apply that all over my lips. And now I'm just setting my face using the MAC Fix Plus spray. So I just realized the part where my highlight was in got cut out. So I actually don't even remember what highlight I used, but if I remember, I will definitely put that in the description box below. And here you guys have it. It's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!